In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can change the name of Flutter app. So you can see that the name of our app is confession underscore app, and you can check it by going into Android manifest.xml file, and you will find a property Android label, and here you will see the name mentioned. We will change it to confess, and that will be shown under the app icon. Now let's change it for iOS. So for iOS we have to go to runner info.plist, and this is going to be the exact address. Here you will find CF bundle display name, and you can change it to whatever name you want. We will change it to confess, and then what we have to do is flutter clean. It will clean our workspace, and if we will run again, then we will see the updated name of our app in our emulator. It will take some time to run. Once it is ready, it will show us the name of the app. You can see that our app has loaded, and if we will minimize it now, then you can see that the name of the app has been changed.